So within those consumer groups, no matter who you are, even if it's your first time ever consuming cannabis or if it's your first time of the day consuming cannabis, we will take these things into considerations, or consumers will consider these points here. So first and foremost, they'll consider their method of consumption. So method is going to be, are we inhaling, are we smoking, combusting cannabis flower, or are we vaporizing cannabis? Are we eating it, or are we putting it on our skin? They're going to consider the time of consumption. Is this something they're going to take in the morning to help them focus, or is it something they're taking at night to help them sleep? Is it something that they're going to use before they go out into a social setting to help calm their social anxiety, or what time? What is the situation, or what is the time of day that they're going to be consuming? They will also consider the dose. So a new consumer is going to look for something that is easy to take a small amount and titrate up, where a cannabis connoisseur may be looking for a larger edible or a larger dose, like a concentrate, so that they're able to get that higher dose in. People will also consider their brand. So in cannabis, we see lots of different brands out there, and people typically will have brand loyalty, meaning they will find a brand that they purchase a product from that brand, and then they continue to look for that brand over and over again, especially in new and situational consumers, because they have some stigmatized ideas around cannabis, and so they trust that particular brand and are afraid of branching out, or it's just a true loyalty and they've tried all the other brands and they truly like it. Even within a brand, they will have different products within a brand. So that means that, you know, for example, 1906, they've got a line of drops. Those are like a pill that you swallow, but then they also have a line of chocolates that you chew and digest. So some people may love 1906, but not like the drops, but love the chocolate. And last but not least, people will consider price. Consumers will look at the price of a product when purchasing, right? And so it's important for us to have a good variety of methods of consumption. We cover all of the bases of the different ways that we can consume, and we have a great variety in all of these things.